Yes.
Hey, Amanda, how are you?
I'm doing well, Marina. How are you?
Good, good. Finally, we met, huh?
Yes, yes.
It's been a long time. Probably when I started, I think I started in December. I was like thinking, shall I join American Real Money? Because I thought, oh, you have so much, track record, like you were receiving when you started in May 2017. See, I remember that.
Yes.
Yeah, you had success like in like more in 3 months. So
Yes.
I was watching and I said, well, I don't know this girl, but she makes money and I see she has a proof. If she can do it, I can do it too.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely.
Like everybody else, if somebody is listening right now, they can think, oh, I don't trust this, but this is how I was. I was searching for home-based business, and man, the reason I was searching for home-based business is because I wanted to have time freedom, number one. And
Yep.
number two, I wanted to make money because no matter how many hours you work, from
Mhm.
9 to 5, let's say you work 40 hours, you still cannot make that much money you can make online because the online is unlimited.
Yes.
I knew that. So that's why I said I gotta start. So I was searching like something easy. I was in network marketing before. I made money, but I was not like very, very successful. Like, because I have seen people making thousands and thousands and millions of dollars. I was not successful. So I'm here.
Hmm.
As I was searching something like easy, I came up with a American Deal Money. But I have seen those postcards before. Here's my card.
Yep.
So I have seen those cards before, but I was thinking, it's not gonna work. But when I searched online and I saw your videos there, and I saw your proof, I said, oh, I have to try this. I have to try and start. No excuses. So I started this business. I joined you. That was, I believe, in December, and I'm here.
Hmm.
This is June now, 2018. And we're
Hmm.
still here. I see people are very successful. Yeah, background, they are fixing something here. So anyways, that was the reason. If you watching this video right now, you see us, like Amanda and me, we never met like personally. We know each
Hmm.
other through the cell phone. We text each other. We text on Facebook. We text on cell phones. And I watch sometimes about masterminds we have.
Yes.
Very easy business, right?
Yes. Very easy business. It just takes time, consistency, and you have to market the opportunity. Like I tell people, you can do this offline, you can do it online, but it's more about just being consistent, whatever it is that you're doing. And last year I made over $30,000 with the program in less than 6 months. This year I'm going to make way more than that because I just never stopped. And for those that don't know, American Bill Money, they pay out a $75 for each person that joins your business. So if you have 10 people, you make $750.
Yeah.
If you have 20 people, you make $1,500. And it's every single month. I love residual income for your residual bills. And it's a great opportunity. So I'm happy you started the program. And I think it's a wonderful way for people to leave their daytime jobs.
Yes, like right now you make at least 3,000, I believe so, right? Per month.
Yeah, yep.
So
3,000.
at the moment I am working full time. Oh, I used to have a very big business and I sold it. I had a restaurant, but it was a headache. So I sold it.
Yeah.
So I wanted something very simple so I don't have a headache and more time. I am working at the moment, and what I'm getting paid monthly, my paycheck bi-weekly is about $900. So if you are watching this video and you think, oh, I make $900, let's say, and I'm okay with that, you're not okay.
Yeah.
People spend $900 in a hotel.
Yeah.
Like,
And that's the thing is if you can work this business just a couple of hours a day
yeah,
online or even offline, and you know, you can scale it up as much as you want. So I can make anywhere from $3,500 all the way to $5,000 in a given month,
Yeah.
just by doing the same thing every single day. And what we do is pretty much teach people step by step exactly what to do in order to start earning a full-time income.
Yep. So that is it. That's pretty easy. Like if I make $900 paycheck, well, I used to make a lot of money when I had the restaurant. I just didn't want to do it. It's too much. But if you want to make, let's say, $900, what you have to do with the Postcard, this is like a system we have to follow, right? What are the
Yes.
system, Amanda? You can tell us, please, because you've been more than I am in this business. What's this easy system? You receive this Postcard, you order the Postcard. That's number one.
Yep.
Right? You have to sign up first.
Yep. You have to sign up. You pay your $125. You're going to get you're going to pay for your membership. You're going to get your leads in the mail. And then for a very low fee, you're going to get your postcards. So you can pay $75 for 1,000, or you can pay $150 for 2,500, which is a lot.
Yeah.
And you get the postcards custom made. It comes with your picture on it if you want, your ABM number, so that people know to sign up with you, and you just start sending them out as many as you can, as often as you can. Or you can just go online and start promoting this online by using a website. And the website information, you can get that website made for $100 for the year, and you have people looking at your website information literally all day and all night.
Yep. So that's it. Pretty easy system. You don't have to like create a wheel. It's
Nope.
just simple. Now, like if somebody's watching now and just looking like to start like a second income or something like residual income, like we have residual bills as you said. So this is to start, because this is easy. Once you learn how to make money with ABM, then you can use these skills and scale it to the next business if you want, another online business, or you just continue to make it. I know people make 10,000 with this one.
Yeah. Yep.
Easy. Oh, come on, how nice it would be if I had $10,000 right now this month. Well, I had it when I had a restaurant. Believe me, I had my income was $10,000 per month, but I was exhausted. I was exhausted. 6 a.m.
And with this postcard program, you don't have to be exhausted. You know, you don't have to spend a whole lot of time doing it, because it's very easy, and it's easy to duplicate, and it's simple to learn.
Yep, it is easy. Yep. So I don't know what questions you know people ask when they join the business. That was my question. If I want to make 1,000 a week, that was my. Can I make it? And you said yes, you can make it.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you can make it. And how to do it? We already know. Pretty easy. Mail these cards.
Yes. Yes.
Go to the post office, and I sometimes drop them off. And depends on how fast you want it, you have to mail more. Just like when I was sending like menus I had in restaurant, if I wanted to increase my income like by $2,000 per week, my income was like, my sales were 10,000 for a week. So if I wanted 2,000 more, I had to mail at least 1,000 menus.
Yes.
So I would go on, you know, that the U.S. Post office, you know, ask them, this is the area I want to target. I would check, you know, how much money this people make, what kind of people, you know, live there, what kind of income they have, what is their spending habits. And I would mail those menus, pizza and restaurant menus. And then you would see like next weekend, it was like full.
Yes. And that's the thing with everything with marketing, it's all a numbers game. It's a numbers game.
Yeah.
So you just play the numbers right, you do your math right, you know what you need to do and how many you need to send, and then that's when you start earning the commissions.
That's where it is. So it's pretty simple. So if you want to join, it's easy to join. You can click the button below. We will have it under this video, or you can join dialing this number here. I will have it posted, and Amanda will have it posted too. And we can share this link as well with everybody. Anybody has any questions?
And that's another thing. You don't need a computer to do this. You can just call in, and you can give the ABM number that's in the description of the video, and you can actually get started that way.
Yes, You don't need a computer too, but you like computer like I do. I love it. I don't know. I love it, online marketing. So I think that's for me. That's what I like. But I do both. I do offline too. And actually, I have my father helping me. You know, I just give him postcards and can you please put the stamps on, and he does it for me. So
this is it's a good business. If you want more information, just click in the description, and we'll have a lot of more videos to come where people will be showing proof of their income, how much they're making, and how they're doing within the business. So that's it pretty much for this one.
Yes,
we'll be back again sometime this week.
Yep, we'll be back.
Okay. All right, bye, Marina. Good seeing you.
Good to see you, Amanda. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.